So I've been at West Central Behavioral Health for 8 years, approaching 8 years, and I've done a number of different positions here. I started out as a case manager and then moved in as an individual therapist, and then for the last couple of years I've been a supervisor in different capacities. Currently, I supervise our care coordination team, which are individuals who provide case management support, so kind of targeted case management, helping people connect with resources in the community, managing all the paperwork and referrals and things like that. And then our critical time intervention program, which is a new statewide program to assist individuals as they're transitioning from an inpatient hospitalization to living back in the community. So that's the programs that I currently work the most with, and I still have a small therapy caseload. And one of the things that brought me to applying for this position as I started out as a case manager was just the opportunity to connect with people in the community with needs. And so as a case manager, there's a lot of trying to just support people out in the community or meeting in their homes and in the community, at Duncan and things like that, just trying to help people to be more integrated into the community and then help them connect with resources. And that really aligned deeply with a passion and commitment that I have of helping people to be connected with their communities and finding resources and supports. And so over the years, that's been kind of a central part. I think this work, this type of work doing community mental health is unique in that we help people connect with the community where they live, to connect with their resources, get the supports that they need. And particularly the work when I was as a therapist was very focused on skills development. And I think that that's a pretty central part of helping people to connect with their community, is to have the skills that they need to navigate stressors, navigate the different types of crises that come up in life. And so being able to help people learn skills so that they can navigate through life's kind of ups and downs has been a pretty important part for me. And I think one of the things that's kept me here for the 8 years is the opportunity to do different things. And so, as I mentioned, I've had a number of different positions and been able to gain new skills and gain new responsibilities. So now as a supervisor of staff, I enjoy the opportunity to help kind of nurture people and as they're entering the field, as they're coming into their own, as they figure out, what do they want to do. We have people come in with bachelor's level positions. We have people come in with master's level positions. We have people who have coming from second and third careers into really just wanting to connect with something that feels more meaningful and gives them an opportunity to live out their values on a daily basis. And so as a supervisor, I've really enjoyed that opportunity. So I work less with clients individually now and work more with staff to help them to develop their skills, develop their passions, help them figure out how do they align with their goals for their work and goals for their lives. How do they align that with serving the population? So I think that's kind of become one of the things that I enjoy the most, is being able to support staff as they really try to develop new skills and acquire new opportunities. And I really do think that's one of the best things of working at West Central, is the opportunity that we've had, that a number of people like myself have had, to stay within the organization, to get new opportunities, to try new things, to be supported and lifted up by other co-workers and managers to help us sort of say like, oh, well, you've got these skills, let's move you into that position. And so I've had a number of those opportunities, and that's been one of the things that I've found really important in terms of staying here for as long as I have, is to be able to have new opportunities and try new things and develop new skills.